Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install PyCharm. PyCharm is a Visual Studio application that lets you use Python scripts to run GUI applications, basic command terminal windows, all without having to use that extra file and changing the directory and running it through the terminal window. While that all might be fun and all, but you want something a little more fast-paced and holds more variables. So to get started, you want to open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome as of the moment. And on Google Chrome, you just want to type in jetbrains.com or whatever operating system you'll be using. Oh, did not mean to pause it there. Alright. You want to click enter, and it should bring you to this page. You should see all this. This is the JetBrains website, and you want to scroll down till you see PyCharm. You want to click it, learn more about it. PyCharm is used for running GUI applications, text editors. In my other video I show it used as a text editor for Python. And now when you're on the PyCharm link, you just want to go to downloads. So click downloads. Now they have two versions. They have the professional version, full feature IDE for Python and web development, or the community version, the lightweight IDE for Python and scientific development. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the community version. So you just want to go to download. Let that download. It should begin in just a second. Alright, so now it's downloading. I'm going to pause the video because the download does differ on time depending on your network. And I'm going to unpause it once it's done. Alright, and so after that's installed, you just want to go ahead and click it, run it. I'm going to minimize this for now. And you just want to follow the steps into completing the process. So yes. Alright, welcome to PyCharm Community Edition Setup Wizard. Just want to go to next. You can change the destination folder. I recommend not, just so it's easier to find and knowing what you're doing. Just click next. I recommend creating a desktop shortcut and the Py extension folders. Now you can create either a new start menu folder, or you can just use the basic one they gave you, JetBrains. I'm going to use it for this tutorial. Alright, and so now you just want to let it install. The install might take a minute depending on your system and how much CPU is outputting and working right now. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Alright, so we're just about finished here, just letting it finish up. And once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and run PyCharm to show you guys a little simple how to create the Python extension folder. So I'm going to go to finish. Now when starting up PyCharm for the first time, it's going to ask you if you want to customize the theme. You can do this, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to let the load up screen load up. PyCharm is pretty much used for GUI applications, Windows, web development, pretty much anything. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I already have projects made with this. So with this, you're just going to go create new project. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to name it YouTube. And this is what I'll be creating my tutorials in for PyCharm later in the videos. So I'm going to go to create. So it's going to be loading your project. It's going to come up with two windows. This is the little project bar window. That's where all your files and projects will be there, so you can see them. Scanning installed packages. Sorry. is just pretty much tkinter or kinter, depending on how you want to describe it or say it, and just installing those and scanning them, make sure they're all working properly. And so after that, you should be, wait, it might still be installing. Just wait for it all to finish installing. No more runtime windows or anything. So I'm just going to pause the video for a second. Alright, and once it's done, you can just go ahead, go to File, New, and you want to select the Python file. They have HTML, other files, the Python package, whatever you want. Just I'm gonna use Python file just because it's easier, and we installed the Py extension. I'm gonna name this U2. Go ahead, press OK or click Enter, whichever one. Alright, and now you're in the text editor window. This is basically just like any text editor you would use. So if I wanted to say something, and simply do hello world and use it as a text editor, and I can go ahead and run this by right clicking or going up here and running it. Alright, and so you want to wait till it's completely installed and downloaded, and then you can right click. Let's try with that, right click, go to run, and it should pop up a console down here, and if you did everything correct, it should say hello world. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I'll be doing more tutorials on the PyCharm GUI application and such in my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Also check out my other YouTube videos, my tutorial of how to install Python, because you will need Python installed to the path file on your computer to run this, and I have a tutorial on that and how to create a basic hello world application. I also have a video about the Notepad++ text editor, which you can install, and I have links for both those videos in the description below. Thank you.